or whatever. And he said that it got to the point after he sold his soul. He's dead now, I believe. After he sold his soul, it got to the point he just sat there and just wrote anything. He wrote anything on the paper, and sure enough, it became a hit. And he said it got to the point where he could write anything and get rich. It became a hit. You know, the devil is using the talent, just like Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, Daniel, all of them. The devil is using the people that God has given talent to, and he's using it to keep people. This is what a lot of people do. Hollywood. Amen. There's a reason why it's called Hollywood, because holly is the tree the witches use to make wands and stuff out of. And what's happening is the devil is using Hollywood to distract. Didn't I use that word earlier? To distract God's people. And